Some things I've always known. Grass is green, the snow is cold. How can I keep you close when all I've ever known is love will go? It's how I've grown. Can we stay here and be soft like rain? 'Cause I don't wanna push you away. I'm not gonna run anymore when I'm under the weight of it all. I just wanna stay where you are, but I'm used to things falling apart. I don't wanna lose you like that. I don't wanna hurt you like that. What am I gonna live for? What am I even here for without you? Some things I've always known. The stories told in the rings of an old